Hi and welcome to this key features video, which will give some insight into how monitoring accounts are used to assist in the efficient deployment of monitoring with ServiceNav. The goal of monitoring accounts is to minimize the need to individually configure service checks with credentials by allowing them to be inherited from a prepared repository. The way in which monitoring accounts operate is also closely linked to the multi-tenant nature of ServiceNav, which we will see later. Monitoring accounts are a library of credentials that are automatically used to provide authentication to a service check where permissions are needed for that check to run correctly. Accounts exist for many of the main protocols and applications used by ServiceNav checks. As ServiceNav is a multi-tenant platform, placing the focus of the interface at different levels in a company or site will enable specific credentials to be set solely for the use of that site or customer. If a credential is not set at the company or site level, ServiceNav will use any suitable credential at the parent level of that hierarchy. If we look at this list of credentials for the site Grenoble, we can see that the credential for MySQL is inherited from Grenoble's parent, My Company. Inheritance is denoted by the unlocked padlock symbol, but we can also see the donor company, in this case, My Company. Using monitoring accounts, potentially hundreds of service checks can be successfully run without having to individually apply the credentials to them. Monitoring accounts obviously work best in scenarios where the same credential is valid for numerous host targets. Where a host uses a different credential to many others, then any service checks for that host would need to be manually updated with the correct functioning credential. Thanks for watching, and check out the other short informational videos from the ServiceNav team.